Hello friends, I have welcome in my class of Neet physics class. So we will discuss about the first of all the unit syllabus for Neet UG 2025 physics. There I have this booklet of that syllabus is mentioned in that paper like letter, and that mention the syllabus is that okay. And there are one unit, two, three, four, five, six. In the physics there are 20 units, and the last unit experimental skills. Okay, I think this experimental skills is very nice combination in if it is in G mentioned. Okay, then there are 20 units, 1 to 20 units. Okay, there are here one unit is physics and measurement. Physics and measurement. I've just write the unit number 1 physics and measurement, 1.1 to 1.9. So I just unit number 1 divided into 1 to 9 modules, 1 to 9 chapters, it's sub units we can say. And this is the lesson plan of that, we can say how can we cover this unit number 1 and unit number 2, and we can equally divide the time available for the NEET physics, and we equally divide these 20 units, and we can easily day 1 plan, day 2 plan, day 3 plan, easily manage. If I manage, you can manage. Okay. So unit number 1 like units of measurement. 1.1 units of measurement, 1.2 system of units, 1.3 SI units, 1.4 fundamental and derived units, 1.5 least count, 1.6 significant figures, 1.7 error in measurement, 1.9 dimension of physical quantities, and 1.9 dimensional analysis and its applications. Okay. So we will discuss the one by one, and I have created unit number 1.1 unit number 1 physics and measurement in this booklet, like okay. So we will discuss about that. In that booklet you are seeing that like in the first page after this binding page, and the first page गेट IIT अकेडमी रत्ना के IIT-G का सिलेबस यहाँ मैंशनड है, जैसे इसमें यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशंस लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, इसको हम यहाँ पे नीट में फिजिक्स एंड मेजरमेंट कहेंगे. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये हमारा गेट IIT अकेडमी का एक ऐड है. ठीक है, इसके बाद यहाँ से हम ये है. ठीक है, ये रोटेशनल मोशन वाली है. ठीक है, हम यूनिट नंबर 1 देख लेते हैं. Yes. Yes. Okay. So we will discuss about that. In the just there is a booklet. Okay. There's G syllabus mentioned here, and in the second page, we are seeing that like the ad of Gate IIT Academy which is mentioned that okay, like and then there are third page of that winding page, like some information about Neet. Okay, and there is a comprehension physics formula of Neet, and that, and after that units of measurement is started. Okay, but this is the point, is very nice points that I mentioned that like NEET physics is a crucial section of the NEET exam covering various topics from the 11th and 12th standard physics syllabus. Here is a comprehensive overview. NEET physics syllabus: mechanics, kinematics, dynamics, work, energy, power, rotation, oscillation, electromagnetic, electrostatic, current, electricity, magnetic effect, electromagnetic induction, thermodynamic systems, large of thermodynamics or thermodynamic processes, and optics, reflection, refraction, Snell's law, total internal optical instruments, wave optics, wavefront, hygiene principle, interference, diffraction, polarization, modern physics, atomic structure, nuclear physics, semiconductor, communication systems. Okay, and the important topics are like we can say that we mention is that Newton's laws of motion, gravitation, electromagnetic waves, thermodynamic cycles, optical fiber communication, nuclear reactions. Okay, so that's the important topics of that gravitation, EMI, and thermodynamics and opticals. Like, okay, in the we can say in the NEET mainly need to focus on the concepts and the concept simple applications need focus. But in the 2025 NEET is like to be a G type paper is mentioned in the NEET syllabus, NEET paper by NTA. Okay, so there is a preparation tips, very important preparation tips I mentioned here. Understand the concept. I am just mentioning that understand the concepts. ठीक है, जो मैंने अभी कहा कि अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट क्लियरिटी होनी चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड कंसेप्ट, फोकस ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द अंडरलाइन कंसेप्ट रेदर देन जस्ट मेमोराइजिंग फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है कि कंसेप्ट को समझना है. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. और कि मेमोराइजिंग फार्मूला आप मेमोराइजिंग कर लेंगे. तो वो कई बार क्या होता है, फार्मूला जिसे मेमोराइज आपने कर लिया, यदि आपने कंसेप्ट को नहीं समझाना तो आपको फार्मूले में बहुत सारे कन्फ्यूजन होते हैं. एक से ही फार्मूला लगता है. जैसे कि सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ, जैसे कि v इक्वल टू u प्लस ए टी. दिस इज द फार्मूला. ओके, एंड a equal to v minus u upon t. This is the formula of that. This formula is derived in this formula. This is the first equation law. ठीक है, motion's first equation, v equal to e plus at. Okay, you know. Then if there is a formula v equal to u minus at. Okay, first option v equal to u square plus at. Third option v square plus u square plus 280. Yeah, वैसे तो v equal to 80 you have to memorize that, but if you concept of that then you can easily derive that. But it is not we can say this. ये कहा जाता है, हर चीज में कहा जाता है, आपने सुना होगा. You have to saying that just not memorizing formula, concept, please understand the concept. ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी हमें मेमोराइज तो करना पड़ेगा. मेमोराइज करने में ये है कि आप अच्छे से मेमोराइज करें, थोड़ा कंसेप्ट भी समझें. यदि ये पता है v इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए टी, इक्वल टू v माइनस टी, आप ठीक है. ओके, तो इस देन द प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, प्रैक्टिस ए वैरायटी ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इंक्लूडिंग न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस, कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन एंड असर्शन रीजनिंग टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वेरी नाइस. पॉइंट नंबर 2, प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम्स. किस तरह से? वैरायटी ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, numerical problems, conceptual problems, conceptual question, and AR. Yes, what is the AR? There is a assertion reasoning type. There is a statement and reasoning. Okay, then the statement is true and reasoning is true, and reasoning is correct explanation of assertion. इस टाइप से first assertion is false, true. इस टाइप से you have seen that type of. Okay. And the third is use online sources, utilize online sources such as video lectures, online tutor. That is just, this is video lecture. Okay, then join a coaching institute. Consider joining a coaching institute for structure. Okay, this is online tutor. Ratnesh classes is also coaching institute. Okay, revise regularly. This is the point is that mentioned is that revise regularly means revise regularly. If you are just habitual of that physics problems and you like physics, then not necessary to revise regularly. But if you are not habitual with that, if you don't like physics, you revise regularly. And division, this is saying that because there is a power of that. If you not revise that, then you can confuse into that. We will do that. Okay, And recommended books: NCERT Physics textbook 11 12th standard. Okay. SC Verma Concept of Physics, DC Pandey Physics of Neet, Radiant Neet Physics Guide. Okay. Stay focused and be consistent. What you will excel in this physics. Then yeah. Just I'm saying that physics comprehensive physics formulated that mentioned here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just writing that formulate. Okay. Formula is that mechanics formula. Mechanics formula is velocity. Okay. Then formula number 2, acceleration. Acceleration equal to A equal to dv by dt. I think we will discuss in that class physics formula. Three-point force F equal to ma. 4 momentum P equal to mv. 5 energy half mv square. Very easy velocity. In the energy in the form of mgh. Okay, if the potential energy it is mgh, if the kinetic energy half mv square. Okay, then k and this is p. Okay, and like 6 number, work equal to F into S. Okay, F into S. And the power formula is P equal to W by T. Okay, just write down that formula class. I think we have just discussed about that. This is the formula of that. Okay, mechanics formula, and after that, just we are in the we are proceeding on the unit number 1. Okay, so okay. Okay, okay, okay. You have just finished that formula. Okay, so we will discuss about the first unit. After that, these are mechanics formula. Okay, then different 6 to 7 units are of mechanics and other units. Okay, just just some mechanics formula. Okay, mechanics. Okay, then we proceeding on the unit number 1. So go unit number 1. First point is units of measurement. Okay, units of measurement. Units of measurement. Okay. Units of measurement. What is the units of measurement? Like the measurement of units. How the quantity is the measured. Quantity is the measured. Okay. Physics is a quantitative science. Physics deals with measurable quantities. Measurable quantities like okay, standard units. Standard units ensure accuracy, precision, and uniformity. Okay. Then the fundamental units. Okay. Derived units, prefixes, conjunctive units. Okay. And system of units. Okay. What is that? Okay. Just write down the class. Okay. After proceeding that, okay. All the fundamental units. Okay, fundamental units. Fundamental units. What are the fundamental units? Unit number 1, meter. ठीक है, मीटर. M इसका सिंबल और ये क्या होता है? यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. ठीक है. सेकंड इज किलोग्राम. kg, unit of mass. Third is second. S, unit of time. Fourth is Kelvin. Unit of temperature. Five, ampere. A, unit of electric current. Six, mole. Unit of amount of substance. Seven, candela. CD, unit of luminous intensity. Okay. This is the fundamental units. Just write down that units and that's the symbols and what is the quantity to be measured in that units. Okay. There's a meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, mole, and candela. Okay. Unit of luminescence intensity. Just have to memorize of that symbol and the unit of which quantity to be measured by this unit. Okay. Just write down the class. Okay. Okay, we will just proceed about that after that. Okay, fundamental units. And derived units. Okay, okay. After that, derived units. What is that? Derived units will be derived from the fundamental units. Okay. Derived units. Okay. Unit of speed. Unit of acceleration. Unit of force. Unit of energy. Unit of power. What is the unit of speed is meter per second. Unit of acceleration meter per second square. Unit of force is in meter Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Okay, and the unit of energy it is joule. Okay, and the unit of power is watt. Okay, joule per second. P equal to W by T. W की unit and okay. Okay. Just write down class. After that we just proceed in the further after drive unit. Okay. There is a simple prefix and suffix, very important. Okay. Conversion of units. Okay. Important points to remember. Okay.
Okay.